design and comparison of Vedic multiplier using CMOS and GDI technique in 90 nanometers technology. Abstract. Multipliers are in high demand due to their wide range of applications and are essential components in almost every circuit for performing basic operations. Document. This abstract includes an overview of the project, highlighting the keywords, existing methods, and their drawbacks. It explains the proposed method in detail, including a step-by-step implementation block diagram. The advantages and applications of the proposed method are discussed, along with the software and hardware requirements. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. Create a stimulus file for your simulation. This file defines the inputs applied to your circuit during the simulation. Include this file in your setup by clicking Setup is equal to Simulation Files and adding the name of the file in the Stimulus File box. Setup Model Files. Click on Setup is equal to Model Libraries. Ensure that the necessary model library files are added. For example, AMI06N.M and AMI06P.M might already appear if your environment is set up correctly. Add any additional model files as needed. Configuring transient analysis. Choose analysis type. In the Virtuoso Analog Design environment window, select Analysis is equal to Choose. Then, choose Tran for transient analysis. Define time limits. Set the stop time for your simulation, for example, 50N for 50 nanoseconds. Ensure that the analysis is enabled and press OK. Set up output traces. Decide which signals you want to plot during the simulation. Go to Outputs is equal to be plotted is equal to, select on schematic. This allows you to select the nets wires whose behavior you're interested in observing. Times running the simulation. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.